Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, first of all, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you do not miss a video. But if you are not new here, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today, y'all, we got another event, our second event of the year. And today we are in Martin, Tennessee for the Black Avenue event. It is February 22nd. The event starts at 1. Currently 11:37. So cars loaded up, as you can see. And I just got here this morning. I'm pretty excited. I'm always excited to do anything that involves dynamic fashion. So I'm super excited to just, first of all, if you don't know, if you're new here and you haven't already been on the channel, so this UT Martin is where I went to college. This is where I started my brand, in my dorm room. So I always love coming back here for any sort of event that involves dynamic, because it's just like, it takes me back to that time where I was really like in the dorm room, hot, grinding, blowing the fuses. Don't tell nobody. But yeah, it just takes me back to that time. So we're here, and I just love to think about that, see my progress so far, and it's just like, wait, you're still going, girl. Like, that was years ago and you're still going. You're gonna make it for sure. You're gonna make it. So right now I'm about to head to the destination, wherever that may be. It's 3 minutes away. If you know anything about Martin, everything is 3 minutes away. Y'all, I did my hair myself. Is it cute? Let me know down in the comments below. Do you think my hair is cute today? I think it's cute today. I don't really care what nobody think. I think I'm cute, and I did it myself, so high five for me. I don't never do my hair myself, because I don't know what I be doing. I know simple stuff, but like stuff like this, I don't know what I be doing for real. But I guess I do know what I be doing. Alright, I hope y'all don't fall. Take y'all on a little drive with me if it can sit there. I always do this event. I've probably done this particular event twice, I think. And it's always good. Like, it's always good to meet new people here, tell the story, then relate to it, of course, because they're actually here on campus. So it's easier for them to relate when I'm on a college campus, especially UT Martin. So yeah, I love this event. And if you didn't know, I went to a PWI, so having something where, you know, our people can come together and celebrate each other, it's always good, because you discover new Black-owned businesses, small businesses, large businesses, and it's just always good. So the camera's scaring me sitting up here, so I'm gonna just get right back to y'all once I make it to the destination and update y'all where we are. But I can't break this camera, so I need to start risking it. So I'll come right back to y'all. Almost left y'all hanging again. There we go. I'm just loading up. Got my table. Y'all got an assistant today. Period. Double trouble. Back at it again. What we got? We got shirts. 1 for 20, 2 for 30. Pants, 50. Yeah. Hats, 40. Hoodies, 50. 2 for 60.
When they go up?
Last week. You can't be skipping out on your prices. Don't be scared. Your price is your price. If they don't want to pay it, that ain't the customer for me.
That's the motto.
Ready.
I give us a south speed. But rock, paper, scissors, $5 off.
Oh, all right. You gotta record this.
There's 2 out of 3? Or just one?
One.
Just one. Alright.
Fuck.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won.
All right.
Now, $5.
How do you feel?
Yeah.
You know, I feel good because this always happens. I just expect the worst.
You should let the other person do it next time.
How much is it?
So everything, all of it is 60,
60,
70, 50, 40.
50, 50.
Go ahead and get you a hat and a hoodie.
You're right. I'm gonna get a hat and a hoodie.
Okay, period.
What size hoodie?
Are you gonna take the hoodie?
Yeah.
Let me get a large.
I got large in both colors.
Come.
Hey, what are we gonna
JD.
My name's Sharon. Hey, twin.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, girl. And we're back.
Can I have a black one?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, brown on the shirt.
Black and brown in your shirt.
Listen, I'll try my best to do what you show me. When I see you my logo in the
She fine. The too blue. You gonna take it out? You got two?
All the blue is gone.
Ooh, ooh. Happy National Margarita Day.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
And it's our celebration from our 100 Day Push streak on TikTok.
100-day streak on TikTok. Yeah.
Made it, y'all.
Barely.
Yeah, we had like 2, 3, 4 stores.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
We made it.
We made it.
Yeah, I didn't sign up for that either.
Yeah.
She made me do it.
It was at a point where it was just streaking. And I was just like, we gotta go for it to do it. Cause like,
I don't even get on TikTok anymore.
Now
There was some
she
days
don't.
where I was like, I never did.
I'm texting her, hey bro, don't lose our streak.
So I would have to get on TikTok just to send her something. The event is going well so far. It's pretty cool. I'm getting hungry, not gonna lie. It's currently 2:49.
Right, I'm gonna just save this up because
We got a lot of time to go. TikTok.
I think we missed that part.
Guys, the event is basically over. It went good.
It was good.
Yes. We grew
And
just a little bit.
just a little
We
bit.
grew just a little bit. We grew. That's all that matters. All right, we're gonna go take some pictures. Then I'm gonna pack up and close out the video.
I need to drink margarita.
Yes, margarita day. I'm gonna go get margaritas and food because I'm hungry. Okay, y'all, the event was a success. It's over now. It was really good. It's always good, like I said, to come back, fellowship with where I started. Met a lot of new people, saw some people that are used to me being here. So we had some returning customers and new customers as well, and it's always exciting. This was good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Shout out to my sister for helping me today. She didn't have to do that, so shout out to her for that. She was a big help. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you like, comment down below anything you would like to. Yeah, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's not forget the subscribe button. I don't want you to miss if I post a video, okay? All of these videos have something in them. But yeah, make sure y'all subscribe so you don't miss the video when I post. Other than that, that's all I have for you. Continue to be dynamic, change, progress, grow. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Oh, my sister might want to say bye. You want to say bye?
I almost busted my butt. Bye.
See y'all in the next one. Bye.